What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be starting a new project. We're gonna be starting on whatever's in this box. This is a subframe. I haven't showed you guys yet, but I found that there was more damage to my subframe from when I broke the camber arm on the car. So pretty much what happened was, as soon as the camber arm broke, the wheel, as you've seen in the video, kind of just like sunk up into the wheel well, and I kind of just dragged it off of the course. By doing that, I went ahead and I ripped one of the tow bolt mounts. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up and then show you guys what we're gonna do today. Alright guys, so this subframe right here is off another Z. It's a used subframe, so it's brand used. It was 150 bucks shipped to my door, which I feel was not a bad price because the closest subframe near me was 100 bucks. But I would have to pay for my own gas just to get over there, and the gas for the Forerunner is kind of expensive. So I opted about just getting this thing shipped straight to me. So,
oh my god. Is it heavy?
No. Alright guys, so pretty much if you see these holes right here, I think it was this side is the side that ripped. This part of the subframe like completely like tore off. So it was only held on by one. And I'm assuming I drove it home like this on the freeway because I heard clunking, but I didn't know exactly where it was coming from. We're gonna be putting in the new subframe bushings, and then we're gonna go ahead and start painting all the suspension parts in the rear. So you guys are gonna come along with the journey. So today in this video, we're gonna be stripping this of its bushings. So we're gonna be pretty much burning the old bushings out, cutting the sleeves, taking them out, and then replacing them with some ISR subframe and diff bushings. They're both gonna be solid. So that should give us a little bit more stiffness and a better feel when we go ahead and start drifting again, which I'm super excited for. All right guys, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and put this up on jack stands, and then we're gonna go ahead and start torching them with the MAP gas. So there's gonna be 5 bushings that we're gonna be burning out, which is gonna be the 4 corners. So one here, this guy here, and this one here, but also the main diff bushing, which is on the back side of the subframe right here. And get a sawzall because it's not working out. One of these. Alright guys, we just got back from the store. Now we're getting back to work. It's hard because I feel like only my hands move a little bit like this. Only my poor hands. Now we can. Now we can put the new bushing in. Cut down now, cut down now, cut down. One down, 4 more to go. Alright guys, so after you burn out the rubber, you're gonna have to cut out this metal sleeve that's in this hole here. The best way to do it is with a sawzall. You're gonna wanna cut just enough to cut the sleeve, and then you're gonna take a screwdriver like this, and you're gonna just pretty much hammer it. Alright guys, this is what you're trying to get out. It's the metal sleeve that holds the rubber bushing. This is the hole right here. We're gonna go ahead and clean this up after we take out all the rest of the bushing sleeves, and then we're gonna go ahead and make sure it's all smooth, so that way when we go ahead and actually put the solid subframe bushing in there, it's gonna be easy. Alright guys, 1 hour later, I'm about to take out the second one.
You have a black dot on your forehead.
Oh. Ready? Mark, get set, go. And then it doesn't go. Boy! Yes! Yes! So now guys, all we have to do is clean up the holes, make sure there's no burrs or anything, and just drop the new ones in. Let me go.
There.
Okay guys, so I'm just gonna heat up the hole. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and drop this in. This is in the freezer for a while. Alright guys, so all you want to do is you pound it until it gets flat. And that's pretty good. Sucks that my new bushing looks all dented now, but it's alright. Now that we got the dip bushing in, we're gonna go ahead and start doing the subframe bushings. Oh my gosh, that's so amazing. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. We're gonna go ahead and clean this up in the next video, and we're gonna go ahead and paint it. Let me know in the comment section below what color you think we should paint the subframe. We already have some in mind, but we would also love to take suggestions. So go ahead and drop them in the comment section below. Also, make sure you guys subscribe if you guys haven't already. 2019 is gonna be our year, baby. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and we'll see you guys in the next one, alright? Peace out and stay good.